Mucirithania Alfred Mabea wa igoti riri rinene ria Meru niwe wathanite area mekinyi igoti-ini kuria ateterithitie bata wa andu gutia itua ria igoti ona thengia ya iturwa iria manyitiriire.
There is no one who is too important that he is unreachable by law. Court processes must be obeyed by all and sundry, both the mighty and the weak. The law is not enacted for only the meek, the poor and the low in society. It is for all citizens of a country, be they rulers or otherwise.
Mabea augite ona thengia ya wakiri wa area kugeria kumatetera ati makoretwo na wira mwingi igoti niriteanirie iteta riri undu uria utumite area maheo kanya ka muthia na maga gwikinya mbere ya igoti tariki 2 mweri tororete mathaa ma 5:30 watho wa kumaikia ngono no ukarutwo.
I'll give them a chance as the court expects them to be civil and men of dignity. I hesitate to issue the warrants for the arrest, but hereby issue summons against them. They are to appear in this court on the 2nd of July 2019 at 11:30 a.m. for the hearing of the application dated the 3rd of June 2019 and for further directions.
Shiro yo wakinyirio mbere ya igoti mwaka wa 2015 kuria mwonjoria wa Mwea Nice Millers athitangire thirikari ya kaunti iyo akiuganira mwagagia na kumuthukangira indo ciake cia kurutira wira ona thengia gukorwo ni agatite marua ma gutabania biashara ya kwendia mucere kaunti-ini ya Meru.
Meru County Government mandehe hathara iria ndatonyire mwaka wa 2015 ukiambiriria through maofisa make ma thirikari tondu ne mahurire makengururia ramine na magicoka magikua wagoni ciakwa cia mucere kwena kotonda na hingo ciothe makururagia nindarihite license.
Kambuni yo ya mucere niyo yahotire cira na igoti rikiuria thirikari ya kaunti iyo irihe kambuni no muigana wa ciringi milioni 140 mbere ya mweri wa 10 mwaka ucio turahitukire wa 2018 no gukinyiria riu kambuni no ndirirarihwo onaki.
Tukoretwo tukirumirira undu ucio nigetha tuone kambuni ni yanyita mbeca icio na koguo turahope mukiumia giukite kambuni ino ni ikona justice yariho mbeca ciayo.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ni ikitie ritana kuri thirikari ya kaunti iyo akiuria itikire kuri hathara iria yamureheire niguo ciro yuthire kuona ndarenda gukorwo na ngucanio na thirikari ya kaunti iyo amu ni kwatabanagiria biashara yake. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.